Okay, so I just got my new GoPro Hero 5, so let's get this nice peel right here. Yes. Please. Okay. Nice. Okay, I think it has a battery in it. Yes, it does. I guess let's try and turn it on. I think it might be dead. Battery's dead. Okay, let's plug in this USB-C cable right there. Oh. That's... okay. Can you chill, please? I have a seizure. Okay, I get it. Low battery, whatever. Can you not? Shut up. Okay, so I got... here. So let's try this. There's power. It's on. Low battery. Okay. English, please. Agree. I need to go get my phone. Intermission again. Okay, let's set this up with my iPhone now. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and set up all the settings. I'll see you once I've done that. Okay, so I got everything set up how I want it. The only problem is I don't have a case for it to actually connect it to my helmet right now because I ordered this as a used thing, so I don't actually have a case for it. And didn't give me one. Yeah, no, there's nothing. All I got is the GoPro and the charging cable, which I mean, it's as advertised, I guess, so. Cool. I'll get an SD card and then I'll record from my new GoPro, I guess. Okay, so I'm recording on the new GoPro now, as you can see. I don't have the actual frame case for it yet, so I have to wait for that to come in the mail. So yeah, here's my old GoPro back here. Needs more light. There we go. So yeah, I can't wait to start making videos with this thing. So I went ahead and taped the GoPro to my helmet since I didn't have anything to mount it. So yeah, the footage looks pretty good, so I'll show you that now, I guess. I wonder how big it's gonna be with this thing. So the audio is pretty windy, but I mean it was pretty windy that day. Well, today, technically, as I'm recording this voiceover, but whatever. But besides that, I mean it sounds pretty good. But as far as like moto vlogging goes, I'm gonna have an external microphone once I get my mic adapter that I ordered off of Amazon, so yeah. Also, side note, the GoPro mic adapter is like $50, which is just ridiculous for what it is. I mean, they didn't need to make it this obnoxiously big. I put a picture of it up on the screen, but I just think it's a little bit ridiculous. The GoPro is going to this like anti-consumer thing. Whatever. Super view makes it look really good. Turned down this road where that guy got really angry and yelled at us. Apparently. And punching his kids, which we didn't do. If you watch the funny montage, you know that, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my moto vlogging setup now since I got the new camera and stuff, so you can see what it looks like. So yeah. Okay, so this is my moto vlogging setup now. So here's my GoPro Hero 5 Black. Here's this lens cap thing that I got with this case that I bought for it. So I have it mounted on the front with one of these things. I have a Allen screw here because it looks better. And yeah, normal one. This is one of the ones that just goes straight out that you get with like the helmet mount kit, I think it's called. I forget. Whatever. This case that I'm using for it, the frame, I got off of eBay for like $7. It's pretty cheap and crappy feeling, but I mean it works. And then here I have the GoPro mic adapter. As you can see, the USB-C thing goes right in there. I have it with some just normal tape, like doubled over on here. It's ridiculous how much this thing costs, though. Yeah. But now for the next thing, here I got my microphone cable, which goes inside of my helmet. So if I take out the cheek pad, you can see if I have enough light. Right there, there's the microphone. And then the wire like runs inside of here and goes all around in my helmet. It's kind of a mess, but whatever. At least on the inside, underneath all my helmet padding and stuff. But yeah, that's my new GoPro setup, I guess. So yeah. Also, side note, I put this little piece of tape over the mini HDMI port right there, so that way if a little bit of water does get on it, it won't get in that port. So I'm confident enough now to like ride in the rain with this. You know what, I got a dumb idea. Let's simulate rain. Use water blast. The dog looks so creeped out. I'm not a Pokemon person, don't make fun of me, but dog just looks so terrified. But yeah, like watch, it'll work. And there we go, it works. There. I'm indeed very smart. Oh, there's water on the... Is there water in the port? I don't think that there is. Whoa. What's the worst that could happen, he said? Completely fry the USB port. And USB-C port. I don't know, I think it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this SD card in this camera, and then we're gonna test it. Okay, so I'm recording on the setup, so yeah. Hopefully the mic sounds good. Okay, so hopefully with this new camera I can make my video quality a lot better. And also I got Sony Vegas. Well, I mean, I didn't really pay for it. I pirated it. It's a secret. But yeah, I've been using it for a while. Edited a few videos on it. I haven't gotten any riding footage to actually edit, like dirt biking footage, not bicycle footage. But yeah, I'll stop rambling, and I guess the video's over now, so bye.